normal day, but we're having roast pork.
Fast.
Wait, look at that. Ooh, the crunch. Ooh. Guys, we are gonna have a mukbang session. Charis lang. Chika-chika tayo while eating. Time for us to eat, guys. With our maliit na plate. I'm just gonna show you, meron din tayong fried dito na tofu na merong onions at saka sauce. Vinegar sauce. Ayan. Grab the panit first. Kain. It's good. Sarap. Soft yung meat. First time natin itong isa. Tofu. Tofu na may onion. Cheers! Oh my God, it's sarap! It's really good. This one. First time ni Michelle gumawa nito. Ang sarap. Tapos healthy kayo yung tofu. It's good.
Yung version papa nga tokwat baboy pero wala yung baboy. Okay.
Actually, mas ganahan ko na ay lamig sa dito yung tokwat baboy. Lamig rin na niyo dahil. As in. Guys, sarap ng ulam natin ngayon. And again, yun nga. Chika na ba ako? So, are we on our last week?
Almost.
We are almost on our last week here sa aming contract. Diba? Bilis, diba? We're actually weighing if ever we're gonna extend here or meron kaming offer from another place if pupunta kami doon sa other place. So, today, actually, today's a Monday. Galing tayo ng weekend. So, parang today, mas naliwanagan kami as to what are we gonna do after our contract here. Extend ba or move on? Pero yun nga, today, meron kami mga emails, mga calls na receive and hindi naman namin alam na ngayon talaga is parang magiging clear lahat. Yung mga food namin sa aming fridge is yun nga, gusto na namin kainin, ubusin as much as possible. So, kaya nag-roast pork kami. Kasi meron pa kami malaking slab ng meat. So, yun na nga. Hindi ko muna sasabihin sa inyo kung ano yung magiging decision namin because tomorrow is the final day. Tomorrow is confirmation day. Pero yun nga. Kain first.
I'm sorry, so there's sabor. You want sabor? Yung juice.
Sarap. Ganahan ko ano yun. Very easy to make. Yun sa manima.
Very easy to make. Medyo gabag yun sa manima.
Sa yun kita naawon. Sa man.
Fish sauce, soy sauce, chili, garlic.
Tapos yung mga ka-birthday natin dito is nag-work sila today. So, kaya kami lang dalawa ni Michelle. Ubusin namin to. Charis.
We're gonna go to Bali!
madami din kasi kaming wini-way ni Michelle. Because, yun nga, gusto namin mag-travel, guys. So, wini-way talaga namin yung mga bagay-bagay. In terms of, you know, getting the next contract. Yung timeline, ganun-ganun. Pero again, we're very blessed kasi we have 2 offers, di ba? We're so blessed. Ganyan talaga pag nagtatrabaho na maayos. Char lang! Uy, ibe-bless ka talaga ni Lord. What's that? Yeah. Uy, totoo naman talaga yan. You know what? I feel like the most powerful thing on earth is when someone is praying for you. And you know that? Sabi ni Michelle yan. Sabi ni Michelle talaga na the reason why like everything pretty much falls into place for her, feeling ko nadamay na din ako eh, is because of her mom who always pray for her. And feeling ko nakuan man? Feeling ko totoo talaga yan, guys. Uy, pray nyo naman ako.
Mom's praying for her.
Feeling ko wala nagpa-pray sa akin. Kailangan ko mag-pray everyday talaga. Totoo talaga yan. I feel like meron talagang power, guys. Because we've been to so many situations wherein, shit, ano bang gagawin namin? Parang ganun. Tapos bigla na lang, ting! May nangyayari talaga.
For me, it's different when you're praying for yourself.
And others are praying for you. I feel like more powerful if others are praying for you. Nagbra ka? Yeah. So, tayo lang mag-chichika, guys, kasi si Michelle, ano siya?
Brales.
Hubad siya. Totoo talaga yan, guys. And I was like, meron kayo nagpa-pray for me? Kaya kailangan ko talagang mag-pray every day. Madami na din talaga kami mga situations talaga eh, na, you know, we feel like, ano ba talaga? Ano mangyayari sa atin? Para bang yung solution is very easy. It's just there. Parang ganun lang ba? Kaya nga sabi ko dito, sa nangyari namin today na we have 2 options. Like, wini-way namin yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero sabi ko, feeling ko si Lord na naman ang bahala nito bukas. Siya na naman yung bahala kung ano talaga mangyayari bukas. If we're gonna extend or we're gonna move on. Kasi ang hirap mag-decide, guys. Especially if you are, you know, you are offered yung baga 2 choices na puro magaganda. But I think, whatever we decide, feeling ko okay naman, both. Pero, I just hope na guided tayo. Mag-guide talaga tayo on what's best.
Kaon sa happy.
Anyway, yun yung chika ko, guys. Dami kong chika.
Tofu.
So, tita, pray for me. Mag-ba-appeal.
Ano yung plate niya? Iso mo yung plate.
Batik man akong plate.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever?
Lemay siya ng plato le.
Plate ng plato. Okay, we're gonna go to our next question. Char, naadi pangutan. So, I know guys, there were people who were asking kung, di ba, forever na ba tong travel nursing na ito? Hindi naman guys, hindi kaya. I feel like if inaani lang nagbisaya. Ganito lang yung situation namin ni Michelle siguro, like, you know, blessed with a good accommodation, ganun. Kaya nga, longer kami dito na stay, pero hindi din na forever na kami dito eh. Kasi, the reason why we're doing travel nursing is we want to travel. Pero, the question is, am I ready to travel even more and explore Australia? Ako personally, hindi na. So, sana talaga, if wala lang talagang mga aberya sa mga plano ko, I'm just gonna say it. Gusto ko na talagang mag-quit travel nursing this year. Kasi, of course, medyo mahirap din, guys. Like, I have stuff sa New Zealand up until now. Naka-storage yung mga gamit ko sa New Zealand. Like, gusto ko na talagang makapag-settle na din. Like, you know, put my clothes in proper places. Dito, para talagang we are living in a suitcase. Kung baga, limited pa din yung mga bibilhin namin. Buti nga nakakabili kami because, you know, merong car si Michelle. But, yung car ni Michelle napupuno na din. So, you know, eventually...
Napupuno or puno?
Puno na talaga. Eventually talaga, ako, personally na lang, mag-quit na talaga ako dito. Pero, I'm still very blessed kasi patuloy pa rin yung blessings talaga ni Lord. Binibigyan pa rin talaga kami ng contract. Kasi sabi ko kasi, if it got to a point wherein it's very difficult to find a contract, then that's the time na mapapaisip na talaga ako to find a permanent place to stay. Kasi, I feel like that would be easier, so much easier. Especially sa time ngayon na there's so many people who are doing travel nursing. So, sa dami talaga, the competition as well, medyo mahirap na din. So, hindi na siya tulad before. Especially, we have one state talaga, New South Wales, na hindi na namin babalikan because of the rates. Because, you know, we're doing it to travel and we're also doing it for the money. So, hindi na kami babalik doon. So, ang dami talaga mga opportunities na hindi na namin makukuha doon. So, limited na lang din yung aming options. And with the competition pa sa ngayon, dami namin kakompetensya talaga. Good thing, masasabi namin na we are skilled enough na, you know, yung qualifications din naman namin is okay naman din talaga, galing sa New Zealand. So, kaya nakakakuha kami ng contract. Pero it's not as easy as before. Like, parang feeling ko talaga before, kami talaga yung, you know, they're really after us. Ngayon, parang okay lang. So na lang. So, ayun, yung sinasabi ko nga. If aabot sa point na medyo mahirap na, parang settle na ako, guys. Mahirap din yung buhay na to. You know, it's really good to have a permanent place din naman. And, I know you're gonna ask kung ano yung plano ni Michelle. Michelle loves this. Gusto niya to. So, I was like, if I'm gonna settle down, bisitahin mo lang ako Mars.
No, never.
Sabi ko talaga sa kanya, at least, you can actually visit me anytime. Wala kang contract. At least, I'm always gonna be there. Meron ka talagang place to live while waiting for your contracts or ganun-ganun. Pero ako, yun nga, dun ako na direction na ngayon, especially this year. But, hindi naman pwede ako magsalita ng tapos. If ako lang yung masusunod, yan yung gagawin ko. But, we don't really know kung ano yung plano ni Lord. At the end of the day, kung ano yung plano ni Lord, yun din talaga yung masusunod. Kahit paano ko pa i-plano yung life ko, especially at this stage, hindi ko din talaga masasabi na, you know, that's done. Yan na yung mangyayari. Hindi eh. Kasi kung ako lang yung, talaga, yung gusto ko lang yung nasusunod. Yung sinabi ko kasi, magsisettle na ako early this year. Oh, tingnan nyo ako. May contract pa ako until now. So, ayun. In summary, fingers crossed, sana makasettle ako this year. If not, I'm gonna accept it. Tatanggapin ko naman siya. Yun lang. Yan yung chika ko. Tapusin ko lang yung kain ko, guys, kasi tapos na si Michelle. I'm gonna see you later. Cleaning time. Ay, nako, yung here, guys. Sabi na.
Korean naman ako,
gonna do our second goal for today sa ating day off. We are gonna perm our eyelashes. Actually, mayroon akong customer today. Nagawa ko na yung kay Michelle, guys. Nagpapaset na lang ako and now I'm about to do mine. Kaloka. Masaman, wala pa 15 minutes. Nagre-reklamo na yung aking customer. Bakit daw ang taga? So, I am gonna do mine. M1. Ang sick naman ng M1. Okay, let's do this. Nagawa ko na to before. Nag-vlog din ako at that time. Yun nga. We're gonna do this again. Aroy. Guys, we are on the last process. Natanggal ko na yung fixing lotion. Grabe ang makakita. Wait lang. Let's see if mas okay ba this time than the last time na ginawa ko. I'll be the judge of that kasi if hindi nyo yun na-watch or hindi nyo yun nakita, baka hindi mas okay. Actually, mas easier this time. I think yung glue lang kasi parang nahihirapan talaga ako sa glue for this time. Parang generous ako sa glue. The reason why I'm doing this is gusto ko yung mata ko is medyo alive. Kasi minsan hindi na ako hindi na ako nagma-mascara or nagko-curl ng lashes. So minsan nakakalimutan ko na ba. So gusto ko naman alive lang siyang tingnan. I don't even have to do anything. Ganyan lang. Tapos we are gonna put the last one, which is the nourishing lotion. This is the last process. Para lang siyang oil. Lalagay mo siya sa iyong lashes. Because of course, nag-undergone kaya ito yung eyelashes natin ng firming. So, mayroong firming lotion tayong nilagay kanina before the fixing lotion. Ooh, oh my God! Mas maganda ngayon, guys. Mas okay ngayon kaysa ng last time. Yes! Oh my God! Maganda siya. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo later. Damihan natin yung nourishing lotion kasi medyo strong yung firming lotion kasi. So this is how it looks like. Lovely! Mas okay talaga ngayon. I wasn't expecting na magiging curl siya ngayon because the one that I used, etong pad na ito is much thicker siya. So, akala ko, or feeling ko lang yung technique ko ng last time kasi first time, feeling ko lang may technique last time, hindi siya masyado. Nahirapan ako. So, that's it. Amazing.